In a significant ruling, the Supreme Court has upheld the right to dissent. And they quashed a criminal case against a professor for his WhatsApp status, which criticized the abrogation of Article 370 and called it a black day for Jammu and Kashmir. And the Supreme Court cautioned that democracy will not survive if every criticism is seen as an offense. Here's some more background. The Bombay High Court had earlier refused to quash an FIR lodged against him over this WhatsApp status, citing concerns that the messages could promote disharmony and ill will among different groups. But the Supreme Court has taken a different stance, recognizing the primary right to freedom of speech and expression guaranteed by Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution. The top court's verdict and observations also highlighted that citizens have the right to express disagreement with the state's actions. Rame, my colleague, joins me for more. Rame, very good morning to you. We, of course, told our viewers essentially what the case is about. But what's the key takeaway that one should know from this?
The Supreme Court stated that wishing happy Independence Day to the neighboring country Pakistan or terming abrogation of Article 370 a black day are protected under Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution, which talks about the right to speech. The Apex Court accordingly caused the FIR against the Kashmiri professor registered under Section 153 of the IPC. The Supreme Court stated that stating that abrogation of Article 370 is a black day, or stating and wishing your neighboring country a happy Independence Day is not a criminal offense. The Supreme Court held that the Kashmiri professor has the right to say that he is unhappy with the decision of the state to abrogate Article 370. And this speech is absolutely protected under the Constitution of India. The court absolutely in its judgment held that he has expressed unhappiness over the said act of abrogation. The aforesaid words do not refer to any religion, race, place, birth, residence, language, or any community. It is simply protected. How someone saying that abrogation of Article 370 is a was wrong, or criticizing the state for their decisions? How come it can become a dissenting activity? Observing such thing, the FIR was quashed, so it was a huge relief for the Kashmiri professor, and they even stated that it does not reflect any intention to do something which is prohibited under Section 53(a).
Right, Rame. Important observations made by the court over there. But for the moment, I'd have to interject you. I appreciate you getting us all those inputs and also helping us better understand this case.